Organize the quick setting page on your Android. Android allows you to edit the quick settings page so that you can organize the toggles as per your needs. To customize it, swipe down twice to reveal the quick settings page and tap the edit button. You can also add or remove tiles as per you need. Now let's add the tiles that we need. Click the plus button to add. Next, hold and drag on the tiles to rearrange them the way you want. Once you are done, click the back button on the top left. Now, you can see how I arranged them as I wanted. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like for more videos like this.